Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anna. Today we will solve the new questions that is find the sum of the numbers in a given range in Java. The previous questions is natural numbers, sum of the natural numbers. Here the twist is given a range that you have to be the sum of the given range. So here, let's suppose here we have example. Input number one is 12. Number two is 15. These two numbers is given here. What they are saying, you have to sum of the range between these values 12 and 15. Whatever the value is present inside of this, you have to sum of that numbers. The output would be before. Means what they are saying is uh, take 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15. How the equal is they were saying that 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15. Whatever the equal you are getting now, that have to saying these questions. How to implement this? It's very easy to implement. Let's let's start the videos. First of all, you need to create the main method. Inside of main method, what you need are two variables. In number one is equal to 12 and number two, oh sorry, not space should be not there, 15. And in the variables name, the space should be not there. The two numbers is given here. To calculate the sum of this between, for that need a for loop. Inside of for loop, let's in I, where to start? It will start from the 12. Start from the 12. You can write the direct 12 here, but instead of that, you just write a number num here, number 1. So that values is coming inside number number 1. The next thing is I should less than of is equal to what? Until the 15. So you have to I should less than of number 2, and it should be a small case, and then I plus plus. It will be iterate until the our condition should be become the false. It will be executed continuously. To store the values of the sum, you need one more variable, that is int sum is equal to 0 here. What you need to do just sum plus equal to I. Whatever the value we will getting inside the sum, just print it outside the for block, this out sum, and run it. See, we will get the 54. If you want to also go through the how it works, just write here this out I plus, and then should be a print this is- and this out the new line also printed. Run this program. See, 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15, whatever the values we will get here is call it as a the sum of the values, that is a 54. Let's suppose here we have a instead of 15 here we have a 20, so it will be calculate until the 20. So 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. Sum of these values is 144. That's all about in this video. Next video, we will come with the new problems of the programming. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.